In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up a business email with Brevo. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Brevo account and you are on the main dashboard. What we are doing here is telling Brevo which email address and sender name it should use when it sends emails on your behalf. This is important for brand consistency, for deliverability, and for making sure recipients recognize who the message is from. First, look at the top right corner of the Brevo interface. You will see your account area there, usually showing your name or company. Click that account drop-down to open the menu. From the list of options, select Settings. This is where Brevo keeps the configuration options for sending emails, including sender identities and domain-related settings. Once you are in Settings, find and click the section labeled Senders, Domains, IPs. This area controls the sender information Brevo is allowed to use. It is also where you manage domains and other sending components. But for this setup, we will focus on adding a sender. Inside this section, choose Senders, and then click Add a Sender. This opens a form where you will provide the details that appear in the From field of the emails you send. Now enter your From name. This should be the name people will immediately recognize, such as your business name, your brand name, or a specific team name. Keep it consistent with what your customers already see on your website and other communications. Next, enter your From email. Use a business email address tied to your company domain, not a personal inbox. Make sure the address is typed correctly, because even a small typo can cause replies to go to the wrong place and can create trust issues with recipients. Take a moment to review both fields. The From name is what people notice first, and the From email is what email clients use behind the scenes, so accuracy matters for both. When everything looks correct, click Save. After saving, Brevo will add this sender to your account so you can select it when sending campaigns or transactional emails. If Brevo prompts you to confirm the sender later, follow the on-screen instructions to complete verification, since verified sender details help emails reach inboxes more reliably. And that is all there is to it.